Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm gonna show you the latest new updated method to install ESign on iPhone and iPad, and also how to install IPA files on iOS without PC and without jailbreak. It supports iOS 15 up to the latest iOS 26.4. I personally tested this on my own iPhone running iOS 26.4, and everything worked perfectly. Alright guys, let's get started. First, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Now hit on Get Started, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile. And then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iOS device. Now you will see the Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app. Now you will see different Scarlet, ESign, KSign links available there. Simply hit on Get in front of the ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iPhone or iPad.
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah.
Once ESign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General. And then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and Restart to let ESign app work in your iOS device. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working without any problems. Now open the Skibbity Tech app again. Then hit on the Search option. Now hit on Get on the first Search link, and then simply save the Search zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open your Files folder, and then simply hit on the Save Search zip file. Now you will get a new Search folder with 3 files in it. One of them have the password. Now simply copy the password. And then open ESign app, and then hit on 3 dots on top. Then hit on Import option, and then first select the mobile provision file from the new Search folder. Then hit on 3 dots on top again, and then hit on Import option. And then select the P12 file from the new Search folder. Once both files are imported, now first hit on the imported mobile provision file, and then hit Import. Then hit on the imported P12 file, and then hit on Import Certificate Management. Then simply paste the password in it, and then hit OK. And now we are good to use ESign app. Now hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import option. And then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps option, and then hit on your imported IPA file. Then hit on Signature, and then hit on More Settings, and then scroll down at bottom. And then enable the second last option, and then hit Signature again.
No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting.
Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. What makes this method amazing is, no PC required, no jailbreak required. Supports latest iOS 26.4. Works on iPhone and iPad, very reliable in 2026. So yeah guys, that's the latest updated method to install ESign and IPA files on iPhone and iPad without PC and without jailbreak. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and comment down below if this method worked for your device. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.